Namaste. Welcome, welcome. We have 24 people. Anybody has any questions? Hello, Mr. Gupta. So, and let's see the questions people have. Namaste, sir. Namaste. Oh, today you're here, Mr. Datta. That's good. Usually you come on Wednesday. It's good you came today. Let's talk on the market trend, please. Okay, Mr. Satagupan, what do you want to know about market trend? We'll be discussing that. What else is there? Is Nifty expected to go down in short term? Yes, till 25th June, I think so. Why market is going up and down in the last 2 weeks? Okay, Mr. Brahmaraju, we'll cover that also. Anybody else has any question else? Okay, so let's see the market. So basically, when we take short term, we usually see from derivative cycle. So the derivative cycle started on 28th of May. So let's see the chart from 28th of May. Mr. Minal Kanti Datta, no stock is suddenly delisted. They have to give a 21-day notice, so it is informed. Maybe you missed the notice. Okay, so this is 28th May, right? Right, so this is 28th May. Is that correct, 28th May?
Yes.
Okay, so 28th May, if you see the market, what was the market? What was the index?
It was 9500 high and 9500, 95 to 9360, 9330.
Okay, so the market started from 23rd May and then it went up. And then from the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, the market had given a good correction. And again, last 2 days has been volatile. Right? So let's see the chart of S&P from 28th May also. Let's see the chart from 28th May. Can you see the chart? It's very similar. You know, this is 20th May. If you see the chart, it's very similar. Now again, show Nifty to everybody. Can you see? So I have been telling people right now we are in a global market scenario. So knowledge of S&P is very, very important. Knowledge of S&P is very, very important. Okay. So I hope everybody knows about S&P. It is one of the world's most traded index. And it goes, you know, if you see the tandem, it is pretty similar, the chart. Okay, again show Nifty. So one thing is, one side of the market is that you need to have a very good grasp of S&P. Okay, because that is going to have a very big impact. That is first thing. And the second thing which I am continuously telling people is to see the open interest. So let's see the open interest from 28th May. I hope everybody knows how to calculate open interest because you're already my customers. So let's see the open interest from 28th May. So 20th May, the contract was 20,000 contracts plus. Okay. And if you see, they were continuously buying till here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. And you check 6 days, the market was going up. You can check 4 days, 28th May, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? So what we have seen is that if you understand S&P, you understand open interest, and if you can learn to combine these two, then you can get the short-term trend. But if you don't know S&P, you don't know open interest, then getting the short-term trend is very difficult. See, we don't play news. Again, I'm telling you, I don't play on news. And the biggest problem with investors is they play with a lot of news. We play with actual data. When you take a decision, actual data, you are more correct. When you play on news, news are very, news are used by people like us to take benefit. Like today, there was a news of India, China. The market went down, but you see, Nifty went down. But did you see from where did it go up? From previous day low. So previous day low is very, very critical, my friend. And previous day low, previous day high. If you don't understand now, see 2 days before the high was green tick high was 9996, and today the market made a high of 45 points. So a knowledge of high and low is very, very critical also. So many people were shorting at 9720, and today also the market again bounced back. Okay. So rather than playing a breakout, another mistake which most of the investors do is they play a breakout. Don't play breakouts. Try to play support resistance. Try to play support and resistance. So if you know the trend, like if I know the trend is sell, right now we have already said in our app, the Nifty trend is sell till the 25th of June. So if the Nifty trend is sell, then every 2-day high or previous day high, I will try to sell the market. That is going to be my strategy. So I will definitely sell at 10,000, 10,045. Then what is the next high, Vikas? No, not this. Yeah, this one.
Next high is 10,112.
Basically, a good area to sell Nifty will be 10,045 to 10,112. This is my take. And I will not sell future. Another, please remember, future trading can be very volatile. Okay, future trading can be volatile. What I will prefer is to trade on, options. That's why learning options is very, very critical. So on 12th of June, we gave a call to sell 10,200 call, and we bought 10,400 call. It's a hedge strategy. The price was between, some clients did between 50 to 55 rupees. Okay. Now what happens with us with that strategy is that even if the market will go up 10,100, your price will still remain 35, 55. Who understand this concept? Who understand this concept? And even if the price goes up 10,050, the price will still remain 55 rupees. You will not lose money. Who can answer this question? So there is a question from Mr. Anil Gandhi. Can you put on Anil Gandhi on video, please?
Yes. Yes, Anil Gandhi can speak.
Can you put on his video?
Yeah, he has in video.
Yes, Mr. Gandhi. Can't hear you.
Yeah, he's unmuted but can't hear.
Now?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I've been holding equities worth about 50 lakhs, and the holding price is pretty low. I've been investing since 1992.
Okay.
Okay, so the question was, is it the time to book the I still hold on?
Because yes, please. So, time see again. This question is again has a lot of factors. There is no one answer to a question. Always remember. Okay. Number one is what is the quality of shares you are holding.
I
So
have
this map, if you have sell or hold with caution, I would definitely sell those shares.
okay.
So I have to first see the quality of the stock. Now, if the stock is strong buy, then I would check whether the valuation is good or not to hold.
Okay.
So there are 2-3 factors. Number one, the quality of the stock. You have to check. How many stocks do you have?
I have about 35 stocks.
You have to, have you seen buy, hold from an app in each one?
Yeah, I seen that.
So you should sell all the hold with caution and sell.
Hold also. Hold with caution also.
Hold with caution and sell.
Sale, both. Okay.
I would sell this.
Okay.
I would hold. I would the strong buys and buys. I would keep it right now
Okay.
and wait for the March 20 results how they does and then decide. And then hold also we have to check what is the condition of the hold.
Mm-hmm.
So basically there is never an answer. It is always it is always the learning which we give in our 5-day courses. Have you done my 5-day course?
No, I haven't.
Yeah. So if you do my 5-day course, then you understand that how you can actually decide what to hold and what to sell.
Okay.
So, okay. So this is how you go to the app, you take a structure and
Right.
then you decide.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Gandhi. Anybody else wants to speak? Mr. Amit, Mr. Mahesh wants to speak? Mr. Mahesh Vartak, you wanted to speak about 2000 call. Yeah. You want to speak about? Can you put Mr. Mahesh Vartak? Can you unmute yourself and start your video?
Yes, he can speak now. Mahesh Vartak.
Can you mute him? Unmute him, please. Yes, Mr. Mahesh. Yes, Mr. Mahesh, please go ahead. Yes, Mr. Mahesh. Can't hear you. Can't hear you. So basically that's the break even. The question which I've asked in the chat, that's the break even. So you will only lose the money if on 25th June, the market closes above 10,255. So you have 355 points, if the market goes up, and now we have about, what is the date today? We are on 17. 16. So you have another 9 days. So if the market does not go up 10,255 in the next 9 days, you will not lose money. Does that answer your question, Mr. Mahesh? Okay, so then we have Mr. Brahmaraju.
Yes,
Yeah.
Brahmaraju can speak now. Brahmaraju can speak now.
Yes, Mr. Raju. Vikas, can you unmute him, please, yourself?
Yes, I have unmuted him.
Oh, he's still muted.
Yeah, he is
No,
not
you've
speaking.
not done it. Okay, I'll do it. I'm unable to do it, yeah.
Unmuted him. He can speak.
No, his sign is still there. Mr. Raju, you want to speak? Okay. I'm in office. Okay. Okay. Mr. Amardeep Sunny wants to understand how many people have already taught this before. I can teach it again. How many people want to understand the open interest again? Or Sunny, I can take you online and explain you one-to-one. Let me check how many people are, because I've said this 2-3 times, so they might get bored. How many team want to understand this? Okay, yes. One person. No, I want. Okay, I want. No. Yes. I have 3 people. Yes. Yes, again. Mr. Gandhi's yes. Yes, again. 5, 6. Okay, so I think so many people want to understand the open interest. Let me, sorry, Ankush, is it okay, Ankush, if I share this? Because you've heard it, but some people want to understand again. There is a lot of yes, Ankush. Is it okay if I share it? Amardeep and many people want to, okay, thanks, Ankush, thanks. So basically, let's see how you calculate open interest. So one more thing is that if you want to understand open interest, you have to first send it the data, understand that what is options. What is options, right? So if you don't understand options, then I have sent you the book. Sunny, I hope you have the book, right? Amardeep, I had sent you a book to learn, right? So I hope have you gone through that book? I think so you should go through that book so you understand options, right, Sunny? Do you understand options? So this book was given to people who took training from us. So Mr. Satagopan, if you have any queries related to the book, you can ask me. So probably we can help. It's a self-explanatory book. It's not very difficult. Amardeep, do you a little bit? Yes, okay. So let's understand that when we trade options, first is that you have to make it a trend. So I make the trend from the Nifty option data. Okay, so I'll show you the PPT. I will not show the entire process because it will be boring. Because can you show the PPT? Yeah, Mr. Satagopan, options is not easy. It takes time, but once you understand it, and the strategy which we are giving it, you can make a lot of money. So what is open interest is that every day NSE declares that what is the position, net position of F2, foreign institutions, proprietary trading, pro are people who are brokers who trade in their own account. So they get an ID called PROE, and that is also called professionals. Okay, so rather I would say, professionals. Okay, and then you have the domestic institutions which don't participate. They're not allowed to do speculation as per the government rules. And then you have the general public. So what I have seen is F2 and Pro are always making money, the professionals, and clients are always losing money. And I've seen is the general clients, because of lack of knowledge, they work with sentiment. They go with the sentiment. They see the TV, they understand, oh, India-China war, market will go back, sell everything. So they don't understand that the market moves according to the positions. What is an open interest? An open interest means that that position is outstanding in the market. Like I have bought Nifty and I've kept it open. I've not squared off. So we have to check open interest, which of the 4 are buying and selling. So once the Pro and F2 are buying, okay, that is called that the trend will move accordingly. Okay, and if the client is selling, that is a fantastic way that, okay, what will be the trend of the market? So you understand that market is buy or sell. That is the first thing to understand. Okay, now what we have seen is how do we decide options. I'll show you the why options are important and why futures are not important is because if you see the ratio in 2008-9, the future and options volume was similar. Can you see up? It is written futures and options. Future and options. Right? Now, if you see, it is 1:49. That means option turnover option turnover is actually the main turnover where most of the professionals are trading. Okay, so you also always have to see the options market. That is the key element. You have to see the options market. Okay, so that is, so what now we see the option data which is available. So every day we get this from NSE. I showed you. So if you can take a picture of this and you can go to this line, you will get this thing every day. Most of thing this is released every day. If you see the heading, there are on the side there are 4 people. Okay, so we know who is buying and who's selling. Then we have the future index, future short, long. So we calculated as per research, future doesn't work. It doesn't give you the trend. Okay, and then we have the option which gives us the trend, because that is where option index is the highest volume. Wherever there is the highest volume, you have the biggest traders, biggest professionals are there, right? So pro means professionals. So be with the professional, what they are doing, because the professionals have great research team, data team. They know how the market is moving. And the clients are unprofessional. They just do by sentiment and by watching the TV. Okay, and the last part, if you see, is the stocks. They also don't tell us the data. So what we do is, the next slide is, we remove all the data and we only see the option index data. Option index data we see, that's it. We don't see anything else. We only see the option index data. Is it clear? Yes, no? Okay, so every day I see this data which is given by NSE, and then I make the net position. So I hope if you have read the book, call long is stagey, Mandi, and then if you see call long minus put short plus put short gives me the net position. So I know which guy net position, is he actual buying or is he actual selling? So I know his exact position in the market. So I know that client is short and D2F2 Pro is buy. So we know that. Once I know this figure, I put this figure in the app every day. So go to the app figure. So every day this net position data, I put it here, because I know this is the professional people who make money and client is always losing money. So I know that this guy is 20,820 contracts plus on 28th May. If he's plus, that means the market will go up. Very simple. Okay. Now, what we did was, we realized that we should actually make a Nifty trend meter. So I'll show you the Nifty trend meter.
Yes. Yes, sir. Opening. Actually, it will just start in 1 minute. Nifty 10 meter. So the app, yeah, it's loading. Yeah.
It is on the Santoshi. It was given on the WhatsApp. Santoshi, if you scroll the WhatsApp, you will get it. Because another put it to give the book another to Santosh Jadavji. So you
Okay,
must read the
okay.
WhatsApp. It was given to everyone. Everybody's received it, Santosh. If you're on the
Yeah.
WhatsApp, you will receive it.
Yeah, the app is opening. Yeah. Meanwhile,
Yeah, so please check the app and scroll. You will never. Or just call Pratik. He will send it to you. Okay, Mr. Santoshji? Just call Pratik and he will give it to you. Okay, so what we realized was that now once I know the trend, when do I take a short call or when do I take a long call? So we realized that whenever the pro, this is another thing which I've not shared before. This is the first time I'm sharing it because we did back testing for 5 years and I'm releasing because previously we were giving you data for NIF2 and pro both. But what we checked is that even if pro takes a 70,000 contract position, net change from the expiry, that is also a sell and buy call. And we checked it, it is hit, the hit ratio is about 80-85%. Okay, so either it is F2 and pro 1,10,000 contract, or it is pro also, it is that. Okay, client changes is 1 lakh. Client change was 1,50,000 or 1 lakh.
1,50,000. 1,50,000.
That it was coming 1 lakh.
No, 1,50,000. I think we have optimized it properly.
Okay, so they further optimized it. If you only see the client position, and it is opposite, huh? So client, you have to pay opposite. So if client position is sell, have you seen the opposite? Have you put the opposite? Because
Yeah, I put in the project.
no, can I see in the
app? In the app.
PT, what is it? Sell client greater change than 1,50,000 contract. What is this?
Sell client if 1,50,000 contract is greater than 1,50,000 contract.
So plus,
Less than
you don't get
plus.
greater, confusing plus. Just put plus here.
Okay.
They're getting confused. Greater than they don't understand.
Okay.
Plus 1,50,000.
Okay, I'm doing that.
She's just doing it so that there's no confusion for you. नीचे वाला भी करो. Minus. Write the word minus and give the sign also. ऊपर भी plus sign दे दीजिए. Yeah. So if client is plus 1,50,000 contract, you sell because they always lose money in the market. And client is minus 1,50,000 contract, you buy. Where in pro, if they are plus, again remove this Vikash, greater and less, it's very confusing, please. Do it for everything.
Okay.
Yeah, we are planning to do it because we just found the new research. Because whenever you research, you have to backtest for 5 years, so it takes time to see the data. Because we have to come to the right number, which can give you the right call. And put the sign also with us, so it is easy because
yeah,
very clear. Yeah, plus, minus. This is minus. Pro का वो कर दे minus, less than हटा दे pro में. Yeah, by pro plus. Give the sign also. Okay, so if you do like this, then individually also you can take a call. We studied and you can also individually take a call, and that's fantastic. So by seeing this, we saw that we are able to get a call 2-3 days before. 2-3 days before. So you can individually see that again. What is the change? I'll tell you. You go to the app.
Yeah.
Add the pro in the app, or they will not understand.
Yes, I'm just doing that. I'm just showing.
Yeah, if you see, these are the two major colors. Again, whenever you see the market, change means what? 20th May to today. So the color, if you see the orange color and the blue color are important. Rest is not important. You see 28th May and you see today.
This was 80,000 minus.
Okay, so it was 20,000 plus, and yesterday they were 27,000 minus. So basically, and if you see, why did we new strategies? They were 44,000 plus, and they are 40,000 minus. That means they have sold 85,000 contracts individually pro, and we studied for 5 years. If they take a position of 70,000 contract, then there is a set. Now let's take some questions, because I hope I have been able to make you understand this. And then, so first stage is data. Second phase is when the call will come, from what, how much number where the call will be generated. And number 3 is what position should we take. So I recommend, don't take a future position. Please do not take future positions. Try to play a hedge strategy. Because what is this called? This 10,200, 400 is hedge, or what is it called?
Hedge, ratio hedge.
No, it's not ratio.
But Annapla knows better, yeah.
So basically, the call, if the call was generated at 9,900, this time we gave a call. So you can sell 10,200, 10,400. It was getting sold at about 50, 55 rupees on Friday. So basically, if you do that, we checked also a history. There was a 92% hit ratio. You would have lost money only once or twice. Are we communicating? Let's take some questions. So it's called call or put vertical spread. Yeah, whatever. Basically just a spread, whatever I know. It's a call spread or a put spread. That's it.
Bear spread. Yeah.
Correct? Because call spread and put spread.
Yeah,
right?
bear spread, yeah.
It's a bear spread or a bull spread. It's called a bear spread or a bull spread. So put that, add that, so that these
Okay.
words people will understand, which is the legal term.
Yeah, exactly. They can Google it and also can
It's
understand.
bear spread and bull. So we took a bear spread. A bear spread is, yeah.
Yeah.
Bull put spread is more confusing, Mr. Mahesh. Just bear spread, bear call spread. Bull put spread. Bear call spread. Okay, bear call spread. Okay, yeah. So bear call spread is the right thing. So if you Google it, we should only take position in bear call spread and bull put spread. That's it. Don't take any other position. So if the call came at 9,900, you should sell 10,200 call and buy 10,500 call. That is called a bear call spread. That means you're playing. If the market remains below 10,200 on 25th June, you'll make the entire money. Okay, let's anybody question. Thank you, Maheshji, for that update. Because sometimes, these technical terms is better, because when we are sharing, then it's better to share the technical terms so that they can Google it also. Anybody has any questions? Sunny, have you understood now a bit now? How can I learn reading charts? You have to do it yourself. We don't teach reading charts, Mr. Ankush. If you want to learn reading charts, you can study my support resistance levels. My support resistance levels comes from, so best chart to read is weekly and monthly. All the big fund managers see only weekly charts and monthly charts, where all the customers see it. Yes, do I have to wait till 25th June only? I mean, what is the query, Amardeep? I did not get your question. What is the question? After taking a position, we have already taken a position on 12 June. How many did the position on 12,200, 400 in this group? How many have actually taken my Nifty strategy? We gave a call. How many took that? How many took that position? Anybody in this group who took a position? Manohar Babu, yes. Okay, thank you. Abhishek, okay, thank you. Only 2 people. Nifty option position. I didn't get your question. Have you taken a strategy, Amardeep? We have already taken a sell position on 12 June. So basically you are talking of entry or exit. Please write, you're asking a question on entry. Or, can you put Amardeep online, please?
Yes.
Okay, exit. Okay, I'll tell you. Let's be online so we can discuss. Good. So we have 4-5 people. Rest we have 48 people here. You should take this strategy. It's a great strategy and we are continuously improving it. Okay. Yes, Sunny. How are you?
I'm good, Salish. How are you?
Good. Please tell me.
Salish, I just wanted to, I haven't taken the strategy, I haven't done it, but I just wanted to understand Nifty options because it's very interesting. So this call which you had given for, sell at 10,200 and buy at 10,500.
No, not buy. Do it at the same time.
Okay, so
That is why it is called. It is not a not. It is called a bear call spread.
so this is a hedging kind of a strategy. I mean,
Yes, it's a hedging kind of strategy where the loss is also limited. You cannot lose after a certain amount.
So
Even
if
if the market goes up by 5,000 points, you can only lose 145 points.
yeah, so if it goes below 10,200 also,
You will
I
make the
take,
full money. You make 55 bucks completely.
and if it goes above 10,500 also I make.
No. If it goes above 10,255, then you start losing money.
So these are two different calls. Sell is a different call and buy is a different
No,
call.
it's a same call. It's the same strategy. That is why you have to learn options.
Okay.
It cannot be taught on a video. You have to first read the book. You have to understand what is a bear call spread, how it is taken, and then probably you'll understand.
Great. I'll do that. So it's a single call, and you sell and buy is a single call.
These are all single calls only.
Okay.
Okay.
So
it will take time because if you understand, if you Google it, we have given you the name. It is called bear call spread.
Okay.
It's called a bear call spread position. Okay. So this is one position only, but you take two different strategies to make one position.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely. It's a fantastic time. So the ROI is dramatically improved. Yes, agreed, Mahesh. Not even 50-60%. It's more than 75% in some cases. More than 70%. It's really, the margins have really reduced. So these spreads are very good now because we have to pay less money. Previously, we were paying 1 lakh, and I think so now we are only paying 30,000.
So is an illustration possible, Salish, where we can see how much a person can make in this process? I mean, if a person invests
how much you invest?
Yeah, if you invest a lakh of rupees, how much can you make in this call?
If you make lakh of rupees, that means you can take 3 positions. 3 positions, because how much it will be? 75 into 55 into 3, because see how much it is?
Yeah.
75 into 55 into 3.
25 into 55 into 3.
Yeah.
Well, 375.
You'll invest 1 lakh rupees and you'll make 12,000 rupees in about 13 days.
Okay.
The returns are phenomenal.
Great.
You invest 1 lakh rupees, you make 12,000 rupees. Obviously, there will be some charges which will be very minimal, which will be only 100, 200 rupees broker charges. So you'll definitely make about 12,000 rupees by investing 1 lakh.
Okay.
But again, I repeat, if you have not done it, don't enter these things. There's also risk. How much can you lose also, I'll tell you. If the market goes above 10,400, okay, how much will you lose also, I'll tell you. The maximum you can lose also in this strategy is 145 into 3 into 75, Vikas. You can also lose 32,000 maximum in this case. So the maximum loss you will make is 32,000 and the maximum gain is 12,000. That's why it is a hedge strategy. You cannot lose more than 32,000 in this trade, wherever the market goes.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah. So that is why it is a hedge strategy. You cannot lose from a certain amount. So there was a question from Mr. Manohar Babu. Can you put Mr. Manohar Babu online? What does he want to ask?
Yes.
Thank you, Sunny.
Thank you, Salish.
Mr. Manor, can you put Manohar Babu online, please?
Yeah, already done. Manohar Babu is coming.
Yes, Mr. Manohar Babu.
Sir, good evening. This is Babu Manohar.
Yes, please.
Yeah, sir, as per your strategy, we have sold 10,200 call and bought 10,400 calls.
At what, 55 rupees or 54 rupees? At what rate?
55 rupees.
55 rupees. Fantastic.
10,
Yes.
10,200 we sold at 1 or 2 rupees.
Yeah, okay. 55 rupees is the spread. Okay.
Yeah, actually, since now market again is gone up today, can we do it again or one or 2 lots or no?
No. I don't recommend. You take only one call.
Okay.
You don't do all those things, huh?
Yeah, right.
That can be dangerous.
Okay, sir.
Day the call comes, you do that day and forget about it.
Right, sir. Okay.
Okay. Anybody else has any questions? So this is a very interesting strategy. If you can, then you can understand the trend also of market. And sometimes the calls, the sell is so strong that a lot of money can be made. So you can really focus on this strategy in a very deep way. There are 48 people. I highly recommend that you take this strategy. And 6th July is coming. We'll be releasing the new stocks probably on 6th or 7th of July. So I hope you have bought some strategies. So you'll have the new stock list because most of the results are coming out. So you'll have the stock list. The next session is on 30th of June. So people who want to join my session, 30th June to 4th of July is the next session. I told you, Mr. Anonymous Attendee. What's your name? Anonymous Attendee. Okay, anybody else has any questions? That's true, Maheshji. Anybody has any questions? I have subscribed to the large cap strategy. Can I get the book? Yeah, you can get the book. You just call. This book is available online. It's not my book. It's free of cost, Manish. You just call and tell them to give you the derivative book. Manish, just call Prateek on the number and they will do it. Yeah. It's a free book. There's nothing great. It's available free of cost. We can send you anytime. Yes, good. Gold as a hedge is very good, Ankush. I would definitely hedge gold right now. The markets are very volatile. Anybody else has any questions? No idea. No idea, Manish. No idea. Stocks, we don't have any data to find about stocks. Anybody else has any questions?
Should I show a Nifty trend in meter?
Yeah, please show. Yeah. So as you are my customer, you can see this on the app. Still not developed in the website because technically it's getting very difficult to develop. Okay, first let's see the app. So if you see, we also give a trend meter here. So there are two things. The trend meter gives you, not the accurate picture because the strategy changes. So when there is a sell in the clearing, there is a sell call in the strategy. But the trend meter gives you an idea where we are. Right? That is why the market is very like this. The sell call has come, but the market is also shooting up because there is not enough open interest. Okay, so please be aware, people who have bought the strategy, follow the strategy. Don't follow the trend meter. Okay, this trend meter is just an idea, but it does not hold true with the strategy. Okay, so the data, I've already shared the data and how it is. How can we access this? It is free of cost. Mr. Satagopan, you're my customer, right? Can you put Mr. Satagopan online?
Yes. Yes, Sattap open, you can speak now.
Mr. Satagopan? Mr. Satagopan? Yes, Mr. Satagopan, yes. Can you please unmute yourself, Mr. Satagopan?
Yeah, you are able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
See, I have only 2 apps. I don't have the Nifty strategy app. I tried to reach this map, but I could not get it. How do I access that?
Very simple. Yeah, can you see the is the app open right now?
Mine is not open, but I tried this FII data, but it is not coming.
Just click that. Can you see he's clicking here?
I'm not getting that.
No. Have you opened on website?
Website or app? Website, it is not there. App, it is there.
In the website, it is not coming.
No, website, it is not there. It is only on the app.
I don't have app. I put all the apps only in the website.
Okay.
I mean, I access the apps only in the website.
So you access the thing, on the mobile once and check. Okay.
Mobile, I see. Okay, so I have to download the apps in the mobile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Use the same user ID password. Okay.
But why I can't access it in the PC?
Because we are still making it. My engineer is still not able to make that meter properly. It's looking it's not very good.
Okay, I'll download the apps in the mobile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Anybody else has any questions? Because what is the time?
5:20.
Okay. Anybody else has any questions? Do we get F2 and Pro? Yeah, we'll try to do it, Santoshji. So we'll try to put, can you put this? Because now we're also showing the Pro data.
Yeah, we were discussing that. Me and Annada was discussing.
So
Yeah,
how
we will
see if we see
Yeah,
the
we have to do meeting with Rishi Bhai. Then I think we may.
Yeah, so we have some position. We can just put F2 and Pro separately.
What we can do, if you allow us, we can have a drop-down box. F2. If we just click on, we
Yeah,
can only
do that.
and then Pro and F2
Yeah,
both.
do that. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll get it done, Mr. Santosh. We'll get it done, huh, Vikas, this one, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay. So drop down, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And make sure we make that highlight 28th May and day. We highlight these two only.
Okay.
28th
Done.
and current day.
Okay. Highlight.
Santosh, it will be done. So we've decided it will be done. Anything else people need? Anything else? Any other questions? Ankush, what is brilliant? I do not understand. Can you put Ankush online, please?
Yeah.
Can you show Prateek's phone number to Santosh on the app? It's on the app only on front page, Vikas. Just show them.
Yeah. Ankush, you can speak now.
Yes, Mr. Ankush. There are two Ankush. Which Ankush?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, it is all every day. It is very exciting to see these numbers at the end of the day. That
Yeah.
how is it changing actually? So now this has become a ritual. The way I used to see market. This is also one of the key areas now that you have taught us to check every day.
Are you getting better now? Previously, now are you getting better?
Yes. So basically, last time on 4th of when you told me, so on 4th of June, I thought that market may fall from 5th. When it reversed, then I thought what went wrong. Then you told in last session that you have to add 110 again. So then closing basis is the main reference point from where you have to see.
Okay, thank you, Ankush. Thank you so much. Can you put Tarun Deep online? Praveen Chartered wants a similar sector meter. Several sector meter. Sector, there cannot be any trend. We'll think about it, Mr. Praveen. Cell call not generated. We already generated and we sent the SMS to everyone. Amit, please check 2:30 Friday. It was sent to everyone in your WhatsApp. And a call was also given to everyone. Please check your app, WhatsApp, Amit. We had sent to everyone. Tamal, can you check and can you send the thing? He is not on WhatsApp. Was he given a call, Tamal? Tamal, Mr. Amit Bhojnagarwala. And yesterday we showed also it was a cell. So it is already showing a cell. A cell call was generated in 9900. We showed it yesterday night. You could have sold in the morning today also. Tamal, please check. Amit Bhojnagarwala does not have a WhatsApp. So did you message him? Please check, huh? Please call him and get everything proper. Okay. Do the F2 Pro D2's position is the only reason. So they are the main ones, Mrinal Kanti. What is the question I don't understand? That is they are the only ones who take care of the market. Everywhere you have the main professionals, F2s. So you have to check their position. If they are buying, they understand the intelligence. Yeah, you got a call from Tamal. So you know there was a call on 12th, Amit. Tarundeep, while training or giving trend trade call, please give information about possible margin required in such trade. Possible margin is not our job, Tarun. You have to find out. It's all fixed. It is 30,000 rupees for 75 shares. So that is not, we cannot give you that. You have to talk to your broker. That is the broker's responsibility. He sent WhatsApp. Amit, the WhatsApp was also sent to you and you replied also in WhatsApp. What is the confusion? I don't know. Okay, Mr. Mrinal Kanti Datta, what's your call? Do the F2 Pro D2's position is the only reason behind the markets means?
Sir, namaste, sir.
Yes, namaste.
Sir, that means their position only depends the market's highs and lows. Only if they buys, the market will go high.
People, they control all the main persons. Obviously, their position is most important.
Oh.
They have 1,000 crores and 2,000 crore rupees of margin. They are the main people in the market.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Santosh, you have not subscribed. Obviously, if you're not subscribed, then how will you get a WhatsApp message? You have to buy the strategy, Mr. Santosh, first. For Nifty trend. Mr. Dilip, you have to buy the strategy first of Nifty trend. Okay. So we'll end the day. Anybody else has any questions? Should we end the day? Should we end the day for everyone? I highly recommend all the people, sir. Please buy the strategy. If you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to ask these questions. Please understand the market. It's really developed this strategy. So can you upload the reading? No, it cannot be done. The reading material cannot be done because it's not my material. It's Government of India's material, so I can't put it, Mr. Nageshwara. Okay, so there's a number you can call up 8336087004. Understand the Nifty strategy. If you want to really know, especially the next 6 months to 1 year, the Nifty strategy is very, very important because the market direction. So if you know the Nifty strategy, it will save you a lot of money. Okay. So thank you, friends. Thank you so much. Namaste. Namaste to everyone. Thank you so much. Namaste.